sound was so weird.
I thought that they might be aliens. Aliens! Yes, aliens. I want to see their planet.
Mae'n anos yn llonydd I ni edmygu hi. Rwyt ti'n bili pala pert?
Nag wyt. Wyt ti'n iarfach yr haf, prydferth?
I know these animals. They live in the sea, not in another planet. They're anemones.
Hi, Soli. Soli!
Oh!
Spin!
Oh, don't worry. I'm still surprised. See?
Yes, the boys look like that, so they can impress the girls.
Do we have to dress up like that too?
Pick, 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 pick.
Hello, Mr. Parrot.
Soli, where are you? Mo!
One, two. 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2, 1.
Huh? There's the frog.
Where? I can't see a frog.
He's right there on the green leaf.
Lle, wyt ti'n cuddio?
Achoo! But I can do a handstand.
Are they all right? Yes, they are. Don't worry, Mo.
Planet Glass wedi sbwylo fe eto.
Are you all right, Mo?
No, I'm not. Not at all.
Hooray!
Up, down.
Yoo-hoo!
Where is she?
Oh, can I see them, Mo? Can I please?
Boing, boing. Boing, boing.
Whee! Bye-bye, turtle. We won't tell anyone where you hid your eggs, will we, Mo?
No way.
Ooh! Now you can hide behind your very own stars. Come on now, Mo. I want to see some more eyes.
Oh, I'm so happy that we're best of friends, Soli.
Pwy sy'n nesa te?
Gallwn ni wneud di'n eira neu iglw.
Neu, ymladd
Hello, Soli. Insects. Yummy.
Do you want to hold my hand?
Why?
Because the next eyes we're about to see
will frighten you!
I've seen more than enough eyes for now, thank you. And me.
Whoa! They grew up big and tall and lovely like me.
Oh, Mo.
Boing, 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 boing.
Mo, put your hands down now.
My hands? I'm not doing anything.
anything with my hands.
Come here.
Don't!
Mo? What are we doing?
We're swimming, of course. Now, that's not as easy as it looks.
Thank you.
Hey, Soli, who are you talking to?
Oh, nobody. No one important.
Very strange. Up and down, up and down, up and down.
He's giving us a big kiss. Mo? Oh. Where's Mo? I do hope he's all right.
Don't worry. Monkeys are very good swimmers.
Huh? Stop, Soli, stop!
I think he just wants to be annoying.
Sounds like somebody I know.
Hey! Well, these hippos remind me of you.
Why?
Because they have big mouths.
Do it the hoo hoo hoo. Do it the hoo hoo hoo. Wiggledy waggledy.
Hi, Soli.
Hi, Mo. Fi gollon ni'n dau.
Neu gallet ti ddweud gweithio ni dau ennill. Stay back! I won't let you near Princess Soli.
My hero.
Yum, yum.
What was that?
I can't look.
Mo?
Well, that's just plain showing off.
Oh.
Not the gorilla, silly.
It's always fun to watch monkeys. I didn't mean you, Mo.
Or to help them have a good old scratch. This is great fun, Soli.
Oh, well, of course. But first...
Oops! I may have been going a teeny bit too fast.
Just look at those huge eyes. But he's not as cute as you.
You can't see me.
Oh, yes, I can.
Where am I then?
Just here, of course. Oh, come on, Mo. There's no need to sulk. Look very, very carefully.
Okay then. The next time I play hide and seek, I'm going to keep very still.
You should be more careful then.
You put the castle in my way.
Oh no! Who will save me from the mean old dragon?
Never fear, Princess Soli. To Mo the Moon will save you.
Oh! Hooray! And they don't like sharing their food.
Well, that's just greedy.
I don't like seeing friends fighting.
Aha! You missed me.
What? I think I like it better this way. Thank you, Mo.
No problem. He wants to play Splash.
Ribbit,
ribbit, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. I'm going to tickle you.
He's seen us.
Back! Stay back, dragon!
Wait! That's not a fire-breathing dragon. Stop! Stop!
Stop! Stop! What's the matter?
Just look at us. Oh. We're hungry, man.
Roar, roar, roar! You could hang 6 coats on those.
Mo Moon, you are funny. Sleep soundly till the morning.
Hello, Soli, hello!
Mo, well, really, you made me jump. He looks like he's talking to us.
Hello, Soli. I'm a greater cuckoo. Can we see it now?
Now, and miss the funniest one.
Well, no. Of course I want to see the funniest one, but... Look, Soli, you and me and the seesaw. Up and down, up and down, up and down.
I can't wait to play castles with him.
Whee! Look out, Soli! Look at this one. I loved eating, just like the monkey in the tree. But I didn't need to climb to get my lunch. Soli? Soli! My dad taught me to climb too.
Oh,
It's a walking stick.
big horns, small horns, curly horns, all sorts. Those bubbles tickle. Whoa!
Hold on tight.
You did it, Mo!
Woohoo! A shooting star! You use the horns to steer the buffalo when you're riding it. Left, right.
And some were full of mischief.
Like you. Full of mischief? Me? Hey, look, the baby's waking. What is grooming?
It's making yourself look good. Hello, Mo!
Shh! You'll scare away the fishies. They'd be great as spades. I don't know why animals have antlers.
You're getting closer now.
Am I? Missed again! Come on, you can do it!
Come on, Mr. Eagle. You can catch one.
Now I'm fantastically fluffy too.